O in English, from debts to gratitude. Learn how to use it naturally. Today we're talking about the word owe, a small word with powerful meaning. It's not just about money, it's about debts, responsibility, and even gratitude. 1. Basic meaning, to be in debt. Owe means you're expected to pay or return something, usually money. You still owe me 4 sessions. You haven't paid or completed the sessions you promised. I owe you $10. A typical phrase when you have to give money back. 2. Owe someone something, not money. You can also owe someone time, help, or even an apology. You still owe him an apology. You did something wrong, and you're expected to say sorry. I owe you my life. This is dramatic. It means someone saved you, and you're deeply grateful. 3. I owe you one. A casual phrase when someone helps you. It's like saying, I'll return the favor someday. I owe you one, Joe. Joe did something for you, and now you're grateful. Thanks for covering for me. I owe you one. Common in everyday conversations. 4. I owe you, I owe you. Spoken informally or used in writing. I owe you = I owe you. I owe you, pal. Very casual, used with friends. An I owe you is also a written note that says someone owes money. 5. To what do I owe the pleasure? This is a polite, formal, or sometimes sarcastic way to ask. Why are you here? To what do I owe the pleasure? I was looking for Edgar. Is he around? You're surprised or curious about the visit. So next time someone helps you out, or you're paying back a favor or a debt, now you'll know how to say it in English using owe. Try using I owe you one. It sounds natural and native. Have you ever said I owe you to someone? Tell us in the comments. And check out the playlist for more words like this one.